We stand at a crossroads in human history. Disruption surrounds us in electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, renewables, and batteries. For many, this sparks fear without hope. But disruption is not the end. It is the beginning of something profoundly human. Every leap forward once felt like the end of the world we knew. Horses gave way to cars, factories lit the night. Today, dark factories run without humans, EVs glide silently down highways, AI writes contracts and designs buildings in seconds. New signals are everywhere, cellular agriculture grows meat without animals. Precision fermentation creates milk without cows. 3D printed homes rise in days, not months. Humanoid robots are learning to walk and work beside us, while factory robots already assemble the tools of tomorrow. Batteries are cheaper every quarter. Satellites connect the planet and renewable power surges past old fuels. Yes, these shifts can feel unsettling. But disruption isn't just about machines or markets. It is about us, about what we choose to do when survival no longer chains us to drudgery, about creativity, empathy, exploration, and stewardship. Look up at the sky. See how small we are. We live on a pale blue dot, fragile in the cosmos, yet full of promise. Our journey as a species has barely begun. Disruption is not the sunset. It is the dawn.